This is the Shark Glam hairstyling system. I'm gonna unbox it and also show you how I use it. It comes with this sheet that's like a quick start guide to show you how to use all of the different attachments, which has been really helpful learning how to use it on myself. This is the blow dryer itself. So it comes like this in a cylinder, but when you're gonna use it to blow dry, you actually flip it down so it is just like a blow dryer in your hair. And then this is what everything else attaches to. I also really love the look of it. The gold is so pretty. The gold with the white, it looks so clean and modern. All of the attachments do have a cool touch spot, so you can take them on and off interchangeably without getting burned by the heat. They all go on super easily. All you do is put it on here and twist. And then to take it off, you just pull this down and take it right off. This is the blow dry round brush. So it recommends that you dry your hair to 70% dry first before you use any of the attachments. So that's where this would come in handy. You would just blow dry it, and then when it's 70% dry, you would go in with any of the attachments. So my hair is a little bit more coarse and curly, so I'm probably gonna go in with this one right here just to smooth it down a little bit before I use anything else. Also, for the blow dryer, it does come with one of these attachments, like a concentrator, like in any other blow dryer would, to kind of concentrate the heat. And also there's a setting that helps hot air stay off of your scalp. These two attachments are the curlers, the air curlers. So there's one designated for the left side and the right side, depending on which direction you want your curls to go. So if I want them curling out, I'm going to use the right one on the right side of my head, the left one on the left side of my head, because I prefer my curls going away from my face. But if I was wanting to alternate it, then I would change attachments. This one here is the air straight. So you put this on and it does blow the hot air up this side, and it does have the ceramic plates. So you can kind of clamp it down just like a normal straightener. This last attachment is what they call the Frizz Fighter finishing tool. So what it does is you put it on the end just like this, and the air goes down through here, and the ceramic plate will get all of those flyaways and concentrate the hair going down. So if you get a lot of flyaways or frizzies up top, this will help lock in the style for, it says, up to 24 hours. I really like the idea of this whole system because the idea is you're putting less heat on your hair. With normal styling, you would blow dry your hair all the way, and then you would put a curling iron to it, and then you would put a straightener to it. But with this, it's kind of an all-in-one. So you do just need to rough dry your hair, and then you can go from there. So if you're thinking of buying this, I think it's a really good option, especially with all the different attachments. I think it's definitely worth it because of the versatility. I think the only thing that I should mention about it is it's not a very quiet tool. It's not any quieter than a normal blow dryer, but it's definitely more compact. It's definitely lighter. It's a really lightweight styling tool. It's not cordless, you do plug it in. Otherwise, I don't have any negatives about it. I think it's great. I also really love just how it made my hair feel. It made it feel so soft. So if you're looking for a hair tool that's kind of an all-in-one that would make your routine go so quick in the mornings, I would recommend checking this tool out. I usually spend so much time on my hair in the mornings, and this is really gonna cut down my styling time. If you're on the fence about it, I think it's a really good buy.